And secondly, we wonder what these 10 cases that there's a lot of flow. And I go into the device, Bitcoin volatility, Bitcoin's price swings as of late might have led to changes in the BTC Fear and Greed Index, because the reason that the Bitcoin halving in April 2024 is anticipated to impact the asset supply and demand, possibly affecting investor sentiment. The historic approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs in the United States and all the surrounding drama have taken their toll on Bitcoin, which soared to $49,000 on January 11th, in many ways to most of the United States. Now, you want these guys to make a busting guide, including, however big finding is over-knowing about average, however you believe. The huge volatility might be one factor that has affected the popular BTC Fear and Greed Index. The metric, whose result is based on social media buzz, surveys, marketing, momentum, and other elements, dropped to a neutral territory today, January 15th, for the first time since October 23rd, 2023. Prior to that, the index was sitting in the greed or extreme greed zone because of Bitcoin's impressive performance in Q4 2023 and the start of 2024. Recall that the assets price soared by over 150% last year, with the final quarter witnessing a 55% increase alone. Being closely related to BTC's price, one could expect the Fear and Greed Index's return to greed or extreme greed should the asset benefit from several upcoming events. Again, possible pivot from the Federal Reserve on its
aggressive anti-inflationary politics is an example.
And America's central bank started raising interest rates in March 2022 in an attempt to bring down the galloping inflation rate in the States. The current benchmark is 5.25% to 5.5%, with rates unchanged following the latest FOMC meeting. And moreover, the Fed hinted about 3 cuts this year, sparking enthusiasm among the crypto community. The move is viewed as a bullish factor for the digital asset industry, particularly Bitcoin, as it would make borrowing money cheaper and thus allow more investors to deal with risk-on assets. Another factor worth noting is the BTC halving scheduled for April 2024. It slashes the miners' rewards in half, causing a reduced supply growth that could prompt a price rally for the asset, assuming the demand stays the same or rises. Multiple experts, including Robert Kiyosaki, the author of the bestseller Rich Dad, Poor Dad, have urged people to pay close attention to that event. Was curious to learn more about it, could take a look at our dedicated video below.